Good morning everyone, welcome back. So this is the first time that I've vlogged with Matt in the flat, so I feel slightly awkward, but I'll get used to it because I've got 3 videos to do today. But I thought I would do like another little vlog because today I am obviously doing the 3 videos. Matt and I are going to town to go to Lidl. I need to go to the post office, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, this afternoon or this evening I'm going back over to Mum's to have burgers for dinner and then hopefully a little firework display, because they did one last year and I didn't know about it and they didn't invite me. So I was like, if you're doing something this year, I'm coming over. But I just thought I would bring you along because, like I said in my other vlog, I don't do a lot, so when I do stuff I like to bring you with me. So I've just sat and filmed my favourites video. I think I rambled quite a lot, so I'm going to have to edit quite a bit out. And then I've just taken the individual shots as well. But I will be heading out into town soon. It looks a little bit dark, so I might have to get the old raincoat back out. I keep looking at the screen and not at the camera. It's so annoying. Hopefully I didn't do it too much in the video. I really hope I didn't. I don't want to film it again. That was really, really awkward. And I've got 2 other videos that I want to try and get through this afternoon. But yeah, let's go to town. So I've just got home. Mum and I went into the garden and she took some outfit posts for me, because when you feel on fleek you need to take advantage of it. And then Toby wanted some pictures of his outfit, so I took some of those for him. I don't think he quite grasped the concept of posing though. Oh, there's such a glare. Oh. Anyway, we'll just embrace it. But we are doing some small fireworks tonight, or I'm not, Dad is, and I'm going to sit there and watch. But that's about it. I haven't really got a lot to do. I should have brought my laptop because then I can import all the pictures and start editing them. But honestly, the sun makes me look A, really tan, and B, makes my highlight look on point. And I think Toby's coming down the stairs. Or maybe not. Or he's just hiding. We'll go find him in a minute.